Somebody is making up a check. The man has decided to take up a new hobby. He has decided to learn some art. Somebody is filling in the application form. The police is taking down the words of the witnesses about this accident. The man saw the two boys fighting and decided to break them up. The boy had broken the window, so the man told him off. Two men are beating up the third man. The dog went for the man because it was very angry. The man first was very angry, but then he calmed down. The man read a letter and he didn't like it, so he tore it up. The man came to the hotel and checked in. And in the darkness, the man mistake the rope for the snake. This man decided to have some omelette and to make it, but his eggs were off. The wolf wanted the sheep to take him in, so he disguised himself as a sheep. The men were fighting, but then one of them decided to give in. The boy looks up to his trainer or his father. This man first heard some bad news, but then he thought it over and cheered up. This man is put off by the loud noise. The man robbed the house and then decided to give himself up. The woman saw some advertisement on TV and decided to try this out. The dog was trying to catch some grapes, but it couldn't, so it gave up. The new haircut has quickly catch on with the other boys. The man saw the advertisement and decided to give up smoking. The man was very tired, so he quickly dropped off. The boy wanted some sweets and he got round and told his father that he would help him about the house. The man got through the castle on the right, looks down on the man on the left and other people like him. Maybe he is a rich man, and on the left it is a poor man. This man is looking forward to have some freedom. This man is very patient and he puts off with all the noise and harm that kids make to him. This man saw some water or something on the table, and he took some napkin, and the napkin soaked up